Today we learn the letter K. K for kite.
K for kangaroo.
K for key. K for kitten.
K for king.
K for kitchen.
K for koala.
K for kick. K for keyboard. K for kites. K for kindness.
K is for kite, kitten, kangaroo, and more.
Goodbye.